Not getting enough leads from your healthcare practice website? Stop scrolling and watch this video. There's actually a really simple way you can kind of do a self-audit of your website to see if there's any glaring issues that might be scaring off potential patients. To do this, you're going to pretend you know nothing about your practice and look through the eyes of a web searcher that's just landed on your website. Let's say they found you through a Google search. Now, there's actually 5 things they're going to be looking for in a very specific order, and most of this is actually completely subconscious on their part, but this is the journey, I promise you. 1, is this practice within the range that I'm willing to drive? Now, of course, their tolerance for travel will vary based on the procedure they want done, but they usually just want to establish your general location and make sure Google didn't land them in the wrong city. 2, does this practice or provider offer the service I'm interested in? Now, this one's kind of obvious, but make sure the answer is just as obvious and easy to find on your site as well. 3, are they good at it? Or how is their approach better? What the patient's looking for here is to get a sense of your level of expertise. Is this something you kind of do or something you really specialize in? They might want to peruse a before and after gallery or read about your technique. 4, do I trust this practice or do I connect with this provider on a personal level? Things like the design of your website, your credentials, testimonials, and other social proof really matter here. Now, the level of scrutiny is going to vary depending on the cost of the procedure or whether or not the procedure is elective in nature, but this step is always relevant in my opinion. 5, what does it cost? Or do they take my insurance? You've got them thinking about money. Congrats, because that means they're sold on you and we're now in the logistics phase. Make sure insurance and financing options are easy to learn about on your site and prompt them to reach out for further pricing details. Once they get to this point, they're either ready to book or you have a highly interested pricing inquiry. Use these 5 points to audit your own site. If you can't easily find the answer to one or more of these questions, you can be certain that your website users can't either. And that means you're adding friction to the user journey. Save this post so you have it handy when you're ready to do your audit, and give us a follow for weekly practice growth tips like this.